You can customize Sketchpad settings for using a whiteboard. To make objects easier to select, choose Edit, Preferences, and go to the Tools panel. Check Double-click Deselection to make it less likely that you'll deselect objects by accident. Set Selection Magnetism to High to make it easier to select objects. Click OK. Now you need to double-click in blank space to deselect. And you can select points and other objects from farther away. If you want to make points easier to see from a distance, select them and choose Display, Point Style, Large. To make segments and circles easier to see, choose Display, Line Style, Thick. You can also change the thickness of straight objects, arcs, function plots, and loci. To make text easier to see, choose Display, Show Text Palette, and make the text larger and, if you like, bold. You can change your default text settings by choosing Edit, Preferences. Go to the Text panel and click Change Individual Styles. Here you can control how new labels, captions, and other text will appear in your sketches. Be sure to click Apply to New Sketches if you want to keep these new defaults. Then click OK. Click OK again. You can use the marker tool to write or draw directly on your sketch, even to draw functions. To change the ink color, select a drawing and choose Display, Color. To change the style of the ink, choose Edit, Preferences, and go to the Tools panel. You can customize Sketchpad settings for using a whiteboard.